Okay, sir.
Just a regular wash.
Regular wash, okay.
We're going through the car wash. Going through the car wash, yeah. Justin, we're going through the car wash. See the crack on our window? It's bad, bad. My grandson loves car washes, so we're taping everything. You're gonna be on a movie. Smile. Okay, I gotta see if we can line up here. We're gonna go through the car wash. We're gonna go through the car wash, yeah. Oh, got jostled around a little bit. He says we're good. That was a thumbs up. We're in neutral. Say hi to Grandma Rita.
Hi, Justin. Going through the car wash with blue brushes.
Oh yeah, blue brushes. Look, look, here we come. Going through the car wash. We're going through the car wash, yeah. Car wash, yeah. Blink, blink, blink. Here we go. Oh, baby. The brushes are brushing. Oh my gosh, car wash. Car wash, yeah. Flappers are flapping. Look at those brushes, man. This one's going to it. There's St. Anthony. St. Anthony. It's making a lot of noise. Things are spraying and wiping. Nice and clean, nice and clean. Going through the car wash, yeah. Very clean, it's a very clean package. Honk for help. Waiting for the green light. Waiting for the green light to go. Green light. Woohoo! We're all done. See you later, Justin.